How to delete a TikTok post. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a TikTok post. If you've uploaded a post to TikTok that you no longer want to have on your profile, or you did it by mistake and you want to delete this post, I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. Okay, first go to your profile and click on the video that you would like to delete. Next, click on the three little dots, and at the bottom, scroll to the right until you get to delete. Click on that button, and then again click delete. Now that video has been deleted permanently. And that's all it takes to delete a post on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.